Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to explain some more trigonometric identities. Okay. Now see this one. Cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k. Then prove that cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. This problem is very important. This problem will give in the exams. So many times already this problem given in the public SSC examinations I saw. So this problem we can solve in two methods. Two methods I will explain. Then you choose which method is easy to you. That method you follow. Otherwise subject you want to learn means both you learn. Who are learning subject, they want to learn all the methods. Okay, some wants to learn only one method, so that's why, that is your wish, but I will explain both the methods. Okay, now first method, see, already I told, because this is cosecant cot, that related basic identities I am writing, that is 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. Okay, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Next, cosecant square theta, okay, another is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Cosecant square theta minus 1 is cot square theta. From this only D3, see, observe, see, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta means 1. Cosecant square theta minus 1 means cot square theta. Cot. Okay. I'll leave like this. That these formulas are useful in solving this problem. That's why I wrote. Now, the condition gave if cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k. That means cosecant theta plus cot theta value is k you given. By using this condition, whenever cosecant theta plus cot theta is there means k is there in this, we can substitute, that you know. But then prove that this we should prove in this LHS RHS. So for cos theta we cannot expand further, that's why RHS you take, that you show to LHS. That's why in this problem taking RHS, the RHS is k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. This we should show LHS, then it is proved. Okay, now this is the RHS, but given k value, so substitute the value of k, given in this. Now substituting k value in the problem. Substitute k value in the problem. What will happen? Instead of k, you write cosecant theta plus cot theta is k. Cosecant theta plus cot theta k. But square is there, you write square, minus 1 is there. Now again k is there, same, k is same value. Cosecant theta plus cot theta is k. Here also square is there, you write plus 1 you write. Now you know this is a plus b whole square, you expand. This also a plus b, expand. A, this is a, this is b. So that's why I am expanding a square plus b square plus 2ab. ab I am reading, but I am writing cos theta cot theta only instead of ab. Okay, now anyway 1 is there. By this also same, now same you write cosecant square theta plus cos square theta plus 2, no change up to here. Here 2ab, but here plus 1 is there, that is only change. Now okay, now these formulas are useful. Here see, cosecant square theta minus 1 is, see, cosecant square theta minus 1 is what? Cot square theta. So instead of this, okay, you are confused, one time I will write in the order. This I am writing here. Now for better understanding I am writing. So cosecant square theta minus 1 cos square theta plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta, I wrote like this. Next down you see cosecant square theta plus 1, cosecant square theta plus 1, cot square theta plus 1 is there, cot square theta 1 plus cot square theta cosecant square theta, that you join, that means first you write cot square theta plus 1 you write, this cosecant square theta later you write, this is cosecant square theta you write, next plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta you write. See, order only we changed because to obtain formulas directly I can write, but some cannot understand, because of that I am one step extra writing. See, this is the original we got from this, cosecant square theta minus 1 is cot square theta, that's why I wrote cosecant square theta minus 1 I wrote first, remaining terms I wrote. Here another formula down is, here what, cot square theta plus 1 is there, that's why it is not useful, minus there means. So cot square of where here cot square theta plus 1 is there, cosecant square, that I wrote first, cot square theta plus 1 I wrote, remaining terms I wrote later. Okay, now see, directly we can apply formula without confusion. Cot square theta minus 1 is cot square theta plus 1, cosecant square theta minus 1 is cosecant square theta minus 1 is cot square theta. Instead of this, what we can write, cot square theta you can write, cot square theta we can write instead of this, plus remaining write as it is, cot square theta plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta, all by first cot square theta plus 1 plus cot square theta cosecant square theta, instead of this cosecant square theta, plus already cosecant square theta is there, plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta there. Now further simplify, see, cot square theta plus cot square theta plus cot square theta, that is 2 cot square theta, 2 cot square theta, you know, 2 values adding 2 will come, x 2x like that, remaining is what, 2 cosecant theta cot theta is there. Down you see cosecant square theta plus cosecant square theta, 2 cosecant square theta plus 2 cosecant theta cot theta as it is. Now if you observe, here cot is there, so 2 also there, you can common 2 cot theta, see, here also cot theta is there, this is multiplication, so 2 cot square theta, in 2 cot square theta 2 we common take outside, cot also outside, 1 cot is left, 1 cot theta, you multiply 2 cot square theta, see, now plus 2 cot theta we take outside, only cosecant theta is there, if you multiply again you will get this, by here also 2 cosecant theta you common, now 2 cosecant, 1 cosecant is there because that is square, COSEC, cosecant theta, plus already 2 cosecant theta, only cot theta is there. Okay, now see, for better understanding I am writing this as cosecant, first I am writing cosecant theta plus cot theta, I am writing, order I changed, down I am not changing order, as it is cosecant theta plus cot theta. Some students, dullers cannot understand, that's why extra steps I am writing for the sake of those dullers. Okay, now see, cosecant theta plus cot theta, cosecant theta plus cos theta, same is there, because this is multiplication, totally we can cut this. Now multiplication 2 also we can cut, what left, cot theta by cosecant theta left. We can expand these formulas, cot theta we know, cos theta by sin theta, this is cos theta by sin theta, by cosecant you know 1 by sin reciprocal, that's why cos theta by sin theta into this reverse sin theta by 1, sin theta cancel, cos theta, that is LHS. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. This is the first method. Once you write these formulas there, and instead of k you substitute the values, then expand, then some tricks you arrange, and common you take, then you will get. This is one method. Okay, second method I will tell. The difference between first method and second method is we are taking this relation, this we are using in this and proving RHS is equal to LHS. The second method is we are taking this relation, this we are substituting in this, LHS is equal to RHS we are showing. Like this difference is there. We are taking this. Now cos theta is equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. He gave, he gave cosecant theta plus cos theta is equal to k. By using this cosecant theta plus, okay, that also reverse we can take. Okay, cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k given. Now we know formula, take this formula. We know what we know, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1 we know. That means a square minus b square. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. According to that, a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b we can write. This is 1. Now already this value cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to 1 given. So k given. This instead of this we can substitute k into cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1. We want only cosecant theta minus cot theta means 1 by this comes to k. Okay. Now this you take it as equation 1, you take it as equation 2, you solve. See, cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to k, cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by k. So by adding plus cos theta minus cot theta we can cancel. Cosecant theta plus cosecant theta, 2 cosecant theta, that is equal to k plus 1 by k because we are adding. This is LCM, we can do LCM k times k into a k square 1 time plus 1. So like this. So 2 cosecant k is this one. Therefore cosecant theta, 2 cosecant theta is equal to k square plus 1 by k. Cosecant theta you want means k square plus 1 by k. This come to this side 1 by 2. That is k square plus 1 by 2k. That means we got cosecant theta value. Once you got cosecant theta, inverse of this sin theta we get. Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosecant theta is equal to 1 by this one, that is k by k square plus 1. This is k. I will write clearly. So sin theta value 2k by k square plus 1. What we should show now? Cos theta is there. Taking say reverse, taking LHS now. Before, by using this RHS you showed LHS. Now LHS we are showing RHS. See, taking LHS is what? Cos theta. So cos theta we should show this LHS, you show RHS cos theta. Now cos theta value what? Formula you know, 1 minus sin square theta under root we know. Cos theta formula. So according to that sin theta value we know here what? 2k by k square plus 1. This is sin theta. Here square is there means square you do, root is there root you do. So this one, this square you do 4k square, this is 4k square by k plus 1 whole square, like this you leave off. Okay, like this there. Now LCM you do k square plus 1, k square plus 1 whole square only LCM, 1 in this same k square plus 1 whole square times minus 4k square is there, all this is under root only. Now here in this a plus b whole square is there, you expand that. A square, already square is there 4, a square plus b square is 1, 2ab means 2k square into 1 is k square only, minus 4k square by k square plus 1 whole square, these are under root only, root is root only. Now if you simplify k for 4, see, plus 1 plus 2k square minus 4k square minus 2k square is there by k square plus 1 whole square is there under root. If you observe this, it is in the form of, see, k square minus 1 whole square by k square plus 1 whole square under root. It is in the form of k square minus 1 whole square. See, expand a square plus b square minus 2ab, 2 into k square into 1, 2k square. So this is in the form of k square minus 1, reverse. A square plus b square minus 2ab is there, means a minus b whole square you can write. Now this we can write totally there, means separately we can write this separately there square, totally we can write, I told already, k square minus 1 by k square plus 1 at a time, for both at a time we can write square, root is there. So to cutting this, that's why we wrote like this, square root to cancel, k square minus 1 by k square plus 1, this is equal to RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Like this also we can prove this problem. See, this problem means by using this relation cosecant theta plus cot theta value k, by using this relation cosecant square theta minus cot square theta 1, by using that cosecant theta minus cot theta value we found 1 by k. Once you know a plus b, a minus b, simultaneous equations, by that you cancelled 2 cosecant value we got. So cosecant value means this come to down. So cosecant value we got k square plus 1 by 2k. Now sine value means reverse, 2k by k square plus 1. Once you know sine value, the LHS is cos. So cos value we know means 1 minus sin square theta under root, formula is there. In this formula already we found, we know that sin theta value, that sin theta value substitute by some simple algebraic expressions, we can know that cos theta value is k square minus 1 by k square plus 1, which is equal to RHS. So like this also we can prove. I hope everyone understood this video. Whichever method you know, before I told one method, here I told one method. In this, which method is used, that you can follow. I hope everyone understood this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.